This is the best kept online arbitrage sourcing secret. This is what they've been hiding from you. This is what beginners should actually do, the type of product they should be looking at to make sure that they find high profit margins inventory with low chance of the products to tank. It's not even low chance, it's it's literally impossible for those products to tank. In today's video, I am going to show you how to find such products and how you should actually look at promotions and what type of promotions you should actually look for to find these kinds of products. If you do not know me, my name is Chris Mangunza. I release daily videos about selling on Amazon FBA. I've been doing it for more than a year and help hundreds of people make six figures. So subscribe if you want all that knowledge, pretty much. All right. So the first thing that you should actually know when you are sourcing online arbitrage product is that you do not want to look at products that are selling for full price, because yes, you can find products that sells for full price on other places than on Amazon and actually sell them for a profit on Amazon, but it is pretty rare, and those products are actually most of the time going to be tanking. You want to manufacture your margins. This is what we call manufacturer margins. It's reducing your acquisition cost, your buy cost, to increase your profit margins. And the first way you are going to do this is by looking at products that are currently on sale, on promotion, or that have some coupons that you can use to reduce your price, right? There's other stuff that you can actually do to manufacture margins even more. I have full videos on those subjects. It's going to be gift cards, credit card cashback, and cashback extension, okay? But this is another subject. In today's video, we are going to talk just about promotions, just about sales, and more importantly, clearance, okay? Because all these are not built the same. There's really three types of promotions that you can find to help you reduce your cost. And this is why if you have my daily target list, you can actually get it, link in the description. It's less than $1 a month to have my VAs working full-time building those lists for you. It's the exact deals that I am looking at every single day to help me find products, right? Because you need to have promotions to look at. I made it public yesterday and people actually are already making money with it, okay? People send me screenshots of the products that they've been finding using it. So it's super helpful, and this is what actually helped me reach the next level with my Amazon FBA business. And this is what I'm using to go to the next level because I want to map every single promotion that is online. You can get it by clicking the link below. It's less than $1 a day to receive the exact list of products that I am looking at every single day. Now, you will notice that I have different types of promotions, okay? I have sales, I have coupons, and I have clearance, okay? And if you want to, if you use this list, you can pretty much use the filters to just get one or the other, right? So the reason why this distinction is really important is because the type of product that you are gonna find among those different type of sales are going to be different, okay? You have sales. Sales are just regular promotions that come like at regular interval. For example, Nike.com might have a regular sale on, I don't know, on basketball shoes that comes every 6 weeks, okay? And during those sales, it's always the same products that goes on sale, or like there are rotating products, but it's always the same type of product, and the quantity is not that limited, okay? A coupon, on the other hand, which is the second type, is just, it's going to give you a discount on specific product on a specific category, or sometimes it's site-wide. But the one that you should be looking for as a beginner are the clearance, and here's why. The clearance are pretty much like products that those websites are actually getting rid of, and the price usually is super cheap, and the quantity that they have available is super limited. Most of the time you are only going to be able to purchase 10 to 15 units, even less, sometimes 6, sometimes 7, sometimes 3, but the amount of quantity available at that price is going to be super low, and the price as well are going to be super low. Now, why is this something that you want to look at as a beginner? Yes, it is going to be harder to scale doing just this because you are going to be purchasing 5 units, 6 units, 9 units, 12 units, 13 units here. And you have different products, and it's going to be hard to go deep into inventory. But as a beginner, you do not want to go deep into inventory anyway. And having those quantity limited, you really need to understand one thing. The available quantity of a specific lead outside of Amazon at place that you can find them profitably is directly going to it is directly going to affect the price on Amazon, because it is going to affect the number of new offers, because the more quantity you have outside of Amazon at a specific price, the easier it will be for people to actually jump on the listing, because these products will not go out of stock, right? So those types of products for the sales, you want to find products that sell super fast. But with products that are actually on clearance, you can pretty much get away with products that sell a little bit slower, and it is going to be way harder for people to make this product tank because the quantity is going to be super limited, okay? If you can grab 6 units at a specific price, at a super low price, and anybody else is not, like all those other people that are trying to sell on Amazon are not able to get those products at the same price, you are good, you are golden, because you are not going to have any competition, and you are going to be able to get like 70, 80, sometimes close to 100% return on investment on those if they are selling a little bit slower, even above that if you are going above 150,000 in sales rank. But you do not have to do this. Some clearance products will be at super cheap price as well, and super low sales rank, and you will be able to actually sell them super fast. So start looking at clearance. And so if you get the targeters, let me get one clearance as an example right there. We have a clearance at Saks. Let's see if it's a clearance that we can actually use as an example. Here we go. So by the way, get the target list, less than $1 a day, to have VAs doing this every single day for you full time. Okay, if you wanted to hire a VA, it's going to cost you $400 a month. This target list right now, the price increased, by the way, because I told you guys that I was going to increase the price. The price increased. It was $27 per month, and your price is locked in if you get it at that time. $27 a month every single month, so it's less than $1 a day to get it. Now the price is at $29, and the price is going to increase to $34.99. Okay, I'm going to increase the price slowly as more people join, because I want it to be exclusive, and once you reach a certain point, I'm going to stop selling it. So yeah, probably. Oh, we'll see at what price, but we do not have like a large amount of people, because I do not have a large following anyway. So yeah, but just for example, the Walgreens link, which is pretty much the same thing, but just for Walgreens, we have 400 people that are subscribed to the email list pretty much, and the price never tanks. So this is not something that I am it's going to be like, except if we have 1 million people or 100,000 people on this target list, the price are never going to tank, because it's really a place where you can actually start your sourcing journey. Okay, but these prices are definitely going to be limited. Okay, so let's look right here on this clearance from Saks of Fifth. Okay, and we are going to look through it manually. And let me see, there's a lot of super expensive products, but you can sell Colhan shoes on Amazon. These are the type of products that you want to look at, but most of the time these products are going to be limited. And let's just pretend that we wanted to actually buy these, and I'm not sure we are going to be able to see. I don't know if these sell on Amazon, but let's just see if the quantity is going to be limited, and I don't know if we are going to be able to see it. Let's try to add 20 to cart. Let's see if it lets us add 20 to cart. It actually let us add 20 to cart, but what you are going to see in let's add more. Let's add 50. Yeah, so it's only 25. They only have 25 in stock, and so usually this is what, and actually 20. And I don't know if there's a limit on Saks, but this is what is actually super great with what is super great actually with these, with the clearance. The clearance, the number of units that are going to be available are going to be super, like the quantity available is going to be super limited, especially if you go with website like that sells shoes, like Dick's Sporting Goods, all that stuff. The clearance, the quantity is really going to be super limited, and so it's really going to be hard to have more competition that is going to tank your product. So whenever a clearance gets released, you should be sourcing it. Okay, this is a big kept secret from the guys that are actually doing online arbitrage. Of course, if you want to grow your business, you need to find products that are kind of replenishable with regular sales, because these are going to be easier to replenish over and over again. The downside of clearance is that most of the time it is not going to be products that you can replenish over and over again. It's just going to be one-time product, but which is fine, because the return on investment is going to be way higher than the replenishable. Okay, the replenishable, usually for those that are sustainable, the return on investment is going to be way lower. This is something that you need to understand. One of the ways that I was actually able, and this is something that I actually realized not too long ago, one of the ways that I was actually able to get higher return on investment when I was actually starting online arbitrage was by focusing on those type of opportunities, on clearance products, looking at clearance products, scanning clearance with tactical arbitrage, and looking at them manually and all that stuff. This is a great way to have outsized return on investment when you actually start doing online arbitrage. Now, if you want to learn more about how to use Keepa to be able to that you do not make mistakes when actually making purchase decision with your online arbitrage business, watch this video that appears on your screen right now, and I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Thank you for watching.